Hey, welcome to the show. Check this out. Just got a new 12-inch monitor from a company called Eyoyo. This monitor is beautiful. I'll tell you, it's working out great for my online setup. I love to have a lot of monitors. That way I'm able to manage all my programs, have everything laid out, and just makes life a lot easier and enjoyable. This is really nice. You can put this on the desk just like this. Or if you want to, you could always take this off right here and you can get a stand that would attach to this, so you can have this up and, like that. But I like it down here for my needs, because then I'm able to see this monitor and I'm also able to check this monitor out at the same time. But otherwise, I'm really happy. Okay, let's take a little closer look at the EM12B 12-inch monitor here. This does have HD resolution, has built-in speakers on the back. This is the stand right here. All you have to do is loosen this part right here, and then you can swivel this back and forth. You can also raise that up here. On the back with the inputs, this is what you have. You have your HDMI, you have your VGA, and your AV, also USB right over here, and BNC in case you have like a security camera. Here you have some different options if you need to make some adjustments on the setting. This 12-inch monitor does come with a remote control, so you're able to access some different options on this. I'm really loving the size and the weight. It's so light and compact. I'm able to put this in my backpack or in my luggage if I have to go do some online work from some different locations. I can also use this with my microscope. I have a camera on my microscope that I can able to view what I'm seeing, like different cells and just some different things on the slides. I can also use this for gaming when I'm, upstairs and, I just want a little more real estate on my computer. Hey, thanks a lot for watching the show. Make sure you check this out. I really like the size of this 12-inch monitor. The colors are beautiful. I like the built-in speaker, working out perfect for me. Hey, if you'd like to find this, check out the link down below where you can find it on Amazon. Otherwise, have a beautiful day. We'll talk to you later. Adios. Goodbye.